Hey guys, Owens Corning is our preferred material that we use for roofing shingles, for asphalt shingles, and we're a preferred vendor with them. And I want to just show you one little difference that you get with the duration shingles. This is a competitor shingle, and I always ask clients, where do you think you would nail this shingle? And every single person, you're probably thinking the same thing, points right to this area. Oh, that actually voided the warranty for this manufacturer. That is not where you're supposed to put it. There's a little faint white line right there. That's where you're supposed to nail. Well, if you can imagine nailing there, this line is where I overlap. So here's my nail head. There's where I'm supposed to overlap. That means the nails are probably going to be exposed over time. That means water's going to rust those out. They're going to go right straight into your house. So we do not use this shingle. This is a duration shingle, and it has this shear nail strip embedded into the shingle itself. That's exactly where we have to nail. And then it gives quite a bit of clearance for my next shingle in line, not this one, to cover those nails. But better yet, what that shear nail does, it doesn't look like much on here, but here it is outside of that before it's built in there. They sent me this just so you can see how tight this is. You can't rip it. So there's videos online. You can go on Owens Corning's website and imagine sticking a nail through this and then trying to rip it out. It does not tear. Whereas if you put it anywhere else on another type of shingle, it just pulls right out. So it passes the pull test. It holds to 130 mile-an-hour winds just because of this shear nail strip. It's not available on all Owens Corning's products, but the duration series it is. It helps a lot. It really adds about this much cost to it. Gives the guys a really easy target when they're nailing, because they're nailing pretty quick. And a statistic I heard is an average roof has 8,000 nails in it, about 4 per shingle, and they go right in this, and you really can't pull that out. And wind, of course, too, has a hard time pulling it out. So keep that in mind when you're comparing different shingle manufacturers and styles and upgrades and things like that.